ugly duckling. Once upon a time, there was a proud and happy mother duck. I have 7 beautiful eggs, and soon I will have 7 beautiful ducklings, she told the creatures of the pond. It wasn't long before she heard noises. Quack, quack. And a beautiful duckling popped her head out of the shell. Isn't she beautiful? Cried the mother duck. Soon another opened, and then another. All 6 eggs hatched, but one, the biggest one. Six beautiful ducklings were drying off and fluffing their feathers. For a while nothing happened. Then finally the mother duck heard a tap, tap, tap. And out came a beak. Crack, crack. And out came the rest of the body. Oh my, said the mother duck, you look different. The last duckling did not look like the others. It had a black bill and was bigger too. That's all right, said the mother duck. You're my special little baby duckling. Now, all my darlings, come in the water. You must learn to swim. One by one, the ducklings hopped into the water with a little splash. But the ugly duckling fell over his big feet and landed in the water with a huge splash. The other ducklings laughed at their clumsy brother. Now, my little ducklings, said the mother duck, stick together and follow close behind me. They all swam around and then they went back to the nest. They started to practice on their quacking. Now repeat after me, the mother duck said. Quack, quack, quack. All the little ducklings repeated it back, except the ugly one. Honk, 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 said the ugly one. He couldn't quack like the others. Well, keep trying, the mother duck said. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. The other ducklings quacked and laughed. The ugly duckling hung his head in shame. Nobody likes me, he thought. I'll never fit in. The next day, the mother duck took the little ones out for another swim. This time they went further. The 6 little ones stayed close behind the mother. Except for the ugly duckling, he wandered off alone. Some wild geese swooped down and landed in the pond. What kind of creature are you? One asked rather rudely. I'm a duckling, of course, said the ugly one, and my family has gone and left me. The geese felt sorry for the ugly one. Come with us, said the geese. It's a big world out there, and much to see. But the ugly duckling was afraid to leave the pond. So he stayed there where he was safe. The ugly duckling looked at the reflection of him in the water. I really don't look like the others, he thought. Feeling sad and lonely, he swam to the other side of the pond. He didn't stop until he had reached a spot he had never seen before. I might as well stay right here, he decided. Summer turned into autumn, the sky became cloudy and the water became dark and the air cooler. The ugly duckling swam in his new place alone. He had grown to be pretty big by now. The water had become frozen. Well, at least I can't see myself anymore, he thought to himself. It seemed like a long winter, but spring finally arrived. The ice thawed and the snow melted. New visitors flew in. The ugly duckling watched as the magnificent white ducks swam over to him. "You are a very big duck," he said to them. "We're not ducks," laughed the elegant creatures. "We are swans like you," they said. The ugly duckling said, "Like me?" "Yes," they said, "look." He looked in the reflection of the water and was surprised to see a beautiful swan with white feathers. And an elegant long neck. "Is that me?" he asked in surprise. "Of course it is," they told him. "You are truly a handsome swan." The handsome young swan joined his new friends and glided gracefully away. They swam past the other ducks. The mother duck recognized her baby duckling right away. "I always knew he was special," she said. And the beautiful swan went by her and swam away down the lake with his head held high. He swam elegant and graceful and soon found love. The end.